Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just gonna discuss about the date functions on the SQL Server queries. But like as you know, if you want to get the normal date of today, you can use the get date function specifically. Then there are like some other needs in the while writing a query from the developer to get the date, or maybe just the time, or maybe getting the date into the different formats, or like there could be more requirements, including the date function. So I'm just gonna go through with some basic functions that we literally need in every scenarios. And rest, if you have some questions, you can just always put in the comments, and I will try my best to answer you as soon as possible. So the first one, as we discussed, is like the get functions. The get date function is basically the pretty straightforward to get the time date. So it will show you the today's date in the format of YY, MM, and sorry, DD, MM and DD, and then here is the also time with the milliseconds. Now there is a way to convert those get functions to get the different things per the requirements. So for example, let's say you only want the date function with uh, you only want the date function with some specific output. So you can simply put the style type 111, and in this case you will get the date type as 2021, and with the MM and DD for sure without the time specific. So in this style, basically this is the main thing we can focus on, is like this is the thing which is by which we can play and get the different kind of output. So for example, if and this function range is starting from 101 to 114, and we can go one by one with each. So 101 is gonna show you the proper date with YY. Then the second one is gonna give you the YY, and DD, but with a different date separation. The 103 will give you the same result, but within DD, YY. Sorry, DD, YY. Now, the fourth one is also the same, but with a different separation. Then the fifth one is also. Then 6 is giving you in the English format with the name of month in which you want. Then the 7 one also with the month and the beginning. Now, if we need the time, then we can simply execute with the style of 102 to get the current time of this particular date. And if we want date and time in the proper format, then we can use this one. Then we can use 110 just to get the date with the different separation. 101 we already saw. Then 112 again, but without any separation. The 13 is again date and time, but this one is with the 24-hour format. The previous one that we saw, the date and time format, was only with the 12-hour format with the AM and PM. And then the last one is only the time, but including the hours, minute, second, and milliseconds. With that, now let's say if you want to convert, but you want to cast your get date function into only date. This is also a possible way to get only the date, or you can also write as time. Obviously, you can also use it as a varchar just to convert it into the variable format if you want as a return. It will return you in this format for sure. Now you can use any other date type in in your requirement as per, or any column name or anything from your table to replace this getDate function with any other columns, and you will get the same result for sure. For if you have any other questions or anything else in the query that I could help you in, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to make more videos in the SQL, so stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.